tapped player, and we Ahmed Musa at a Tontea, one of managers were player, what bought matches no more at Nigeria. What's in the United come as a team. Now, Amaya Juma, our Branson Sompa, Anna at Debaba Alex Iwobi, our experience in the general Yentiano.
There's a lot of other players in the Premier League as well. There's players that play Serie A, players that play Champions League. So the great thing about us is that, yes, there's a lot of quality, and I always say this, that we're very young as well. So it's a team that can probably progress for another 2-3 years. But in terms of my qualities, of course, I've been in the team. I think I'm second most cap in the team right now after Musa. So all I can do is just share my experiences and allow everyone to express themselves, because the same reason why I'm in the team is the same reason why they're in the team. Everyone brings their own qualities, so I just give everyone the confidence to express themselves. So whatever brings you to the national team, that's what coach has decided, and you have to bring it from your club side to the national team. So the only thing I tell people or advise my players, my teammates, is to
life our brother media fans full time no ya day I have 4 winnings and watch it will be at so now what study I said the trend in Esikwa the last time in Nigeria at AFCON and some 2013 okay sometime no what did the late coach Stephen Keshi and a koi make pass a Sunday Imba now or your local player and a ball winning from Nigeria woman AFCON 2013 now a bromo quest record tournament in the none of African country be anywhere what qualified they call a quarter final and at this tournament so no North African team be anywhere what qualified they call a quarter final Nigeria financial says at all and you be said now referee Sunday Imba need the let a cash and sometime no none of African be and North African be and one also qualify into a budget 2013 one Ahmed Musa Edun commander and what catch on Ahmed Musa Yobia will be an who has one percent and one dance Ahmed Musa no Mokasa and some other far 2013 and some Jumediano our Brano and some Ayasma Iwobi and some other Tuja.
Of course we've had discussions because we've had players like Ahmed Musa and Kenneth that were above that team that won the 2013 trophy, so we've had discussions of what it did for Nigeria, the joys, the experience, and Musa, especially as he's the captain, he always wants us to push on and to achieve that same thing. Of course, back then apparently they weren't the favourites, but they focused on themselves. They don't. Well, Musa told us that they don't look at the outside noise. That it was one big family, and that's what pushed them to achieve greatness. So he's creating the same environment now. Everyone's hungry to fight.
And you may almost any DRC and Apple now match against Democratic Republic of Congo. I just almost any Guinea mine Bonum Sanra Guinea Omo coach no you find a Kaba Diawara and Obatana say wouldn't say on also a French and Obekanum and Romu Pusuna Kakrama just say one of some other Brofu Famu coach and say woman Omo Masa Omo Pacomo Baxa Coffee and Omo Imagines Omo Coffee say and yet say DRC Fana Redia woman to me Pacomo and Anna Julia because somebody woman you ready set tournament no woman from and some from Mutina was some Basse one Baba semi final in Tomo time on Suya and yet there's a Guinea ebe coffee away and some coach and fan say Kaba Diawara I semi final senti and a Guinea Conakry and so bye.
Ce soit même des Martiens en face, c'est pareil, et je crois que mes gars sont vraiment dans le même état d'esprit. Et c'est clair que demain, il y a soit vous, soit nous, on va rentrer à la maison. Ça, c'est la logique de cette compétition. On va essayer que ce soit vous. Et
coach and the two channel and so I just Angola, not just English in no. Yabenya and also a Jamo our brown seminal. Yet the Emmy for my men front to one himself no pay. When himself bouncer, Omo manager, so raw. Your friend Walla Porta Betanase. Now Okotin come our brown come on Kotian no. One Rakuan Abacasana no pay Ghana time and some 8 o'clock and a bouncer. One more president 10 for Sala Porta and come again about on when I met and a Jama members on Ansana. Meba La Porta and come again on the Shadrach. Me uncle a ye chili essensa and Ra on him say a tour of Vidal Erasmus a call a yet the Botivo Colo and some our chili. Nasa was out on Chrome. Now a deba couldn't say Anra ana omo yes aturo vida omo pan ho ntoma bra eno na chance ye shoot a Hollywood movie wonum say no our stadium no womo som at the helicopter and be see a branch man aturo vida we aye chance vida no omo tene ba no e wa branches omo ma videos ani ade e bia wo fie na omo tana so wo nwumam e bia live on Facebook no so nyina no we some aye time a player your father say aturo vida womo de helicopter e be see no and some our kolo almost stadium aye grass no so masa babia boma yes take it no kwa bia pa wonya bi ntwasan or your star boy wo bo bounce abo ban no ne ade e wa bra chance aturo vidal ne e helicopter and some ana de aturo vidal and some ababesi unum sanya no nko a wo mo de aturo vidal besi enro helicopter no and some adine besi ya no wo mo so yo hene e tiri kwansa onante from rough ni kwansa onante basa wo mo sa de pongo by Emma Bama Jena Hincha, I just ain't telling you, woman, some only at a pongoso. I just say, what do you come? I stadium no, and who shares us on to me, Nantem Kwama Stadium no, and some Asunta Turovitania, and I just Samba, I just said, Nahinchania, and Okitana sword. I said, yeah, Baba, you move it to Serbia, oh, legend of the sea, Canum, and I just say, Melon, nom, and no more canning, and a Turovita, and some other just a Bama Jena Nimonyama, and no Kaka Frimo. At aba ye when na ma na ba hwe dia na ma bo be come adwen so ache kwam bia so a chesenom ay update ever na unumati Napoli aba so omoye report to me nya say on say Napoli our Piotr Zielinski na yese Zielinski adia no metesam oni boboku a ye fan Inter Milan edin komasie na asam na kwa report amemesa kan say Piotr Zielinski the next best na otwemie no ekọ na otwemie nsa no oba sign contract no ensom adia ma Inter Milan na o sign contract na ama Inter Milan na ye bo season wi a ana Zielinski abadwane boboku a ye fan Inter metesam no ensom aye free transfer na free transfer sana polifo na dwa boy no abaje ne salary bonus aye 4.5 million euros. I know I salary and bonuses no come on 4.5 million euros a season and a signing bonus no so no 5 million so go for free 18. Yes, no Napoli say answer. Nature say you know Kobe no tiani nyina o e ho adwempone na say sa no be dia so mo kwa kwada de ache na sa de che na Napoli for so die owura for so Aurelio De Laurentiis enso de wonim say otumi abibi bi ono direct movie ni ade to no so ya eche no owura no yeso say na boy na dia ha omunyini din free Champions League ni mu omunyim from I just send you a game against Barca say we and a Bama Napoli fanya nkwankwa de a on fa ho enti yeso wura no or consider say Napoli for no buafu womo abeso Piotr Zielinski womo som any din edi free aye Champions League squad ni mo a eno som aye update aba Juve enso akoda na beka na asam kira wo no Carlos Alcaraz mekacha wo say anya de obo tennis na we enso aye ban wo sina kai Adama Southampton amekacha last season we shall go a sister wa bra we free branch buyer against Arsenal Alcaraz asemnie and no pe boy no ababesna kwa ya dena your friend sign the medical and so I would J medical ho I just a boy no some ana kwa ho nsem ni nyina no ye de eba onum se transfer market bia ye report to me nyane so Paris Saint-Germain yeso mo kobusa ba mo chimfo no say na anya bia makota na your friend say Matthijs de Ligt e kwenta home yeso ban say unum anam wi a untimi nwina mo nche peto wonum nya wo de enso nche peto na boy no aye prana na ha no na when na ka tro se bia Matthijs de Ligt no wo mo ka se o mo mpɛ no na wo se bia onya boy ni bi ma wa ba ba jino na an yetimi fa ko ye fa kwa anka wa ma meto so kra ama sese am no ka se no eno so aba ba ye nsem pi se report amenya ane de eba no nyina manju fo no meba mo so enche bia na ma memfa nto wanim se coach ye fa no sam aye jogging club no pay menim say by this time kwadem so betena series I was at the Premier Conference ebaso esanse nyame yarma Sunday aye Arsenal and Bobokua ye fa no Liverpool and Apple na Liverpool come Emirates our Arsenal our form and watch Liverpool and some our form nyame yarma Sunday and I just Arsenal team no and some and Liverpool our manager no the Premier Conference ebaso so betena sia o babu san say den asan and be after Chelsea Edian City na okasa kwan saying and some other boys in AC fan and watch it Mohamed Salah so recovery no and no some say now Salah some make Unim say when one kasa komeki post on IG Mosala be so say wasamba be drew Liverpool omo training complex on mo omo training center our brand pay no wonu Mohamed Salah any entini post ni and some our IG our brand say Mosala be drew baby omo gym and just a physios no and boys no and some aya juma no waba be drew our brand owrai and some abaya juma den serebe enche bia no wonu some abetimi recover and tampaso and no aya update eba onim Salah, ayo be a Saudi Arabia for no omani breya pa. Nemom ay taki ay Liverpool. Empen for no omujina mana so sem di kabe kasa ofana be kon wan sha wo a wo yam be shom na Jaminian say announcement ba ye amana no be catch us uncertainties aba ho enom ay Virgil van Dijk the future and watch Mohamed Salah and some future no ye ti ya say yes Saudi Arabia for and omo pe aye Salah ya antise bi asomesi anaso benten na mom yese baby a Salah ebe prefer and some aye Al Hilal essence okay Saudi Arabia wom didi e ba say no anya the biggest club our Saudi and answer be Asia ho and ebe one of the biggest anunti aye Al Hilal baby a name a wono e home ana cheso be so di Mohamed Salah and some akọ count any name a dabenkum so a Mo Salah edani fa so bra boy e kobenkum boy e fani fam boy as I say Hilal woman some any abre na Jaminian say sika no be so mo de banom Meti say aye numbers na ebe den say Liverpool ebe rejected esan say sika do obi ahia bi as sika no ba Liverpool pan for no and some number fu say bia we ebe another project under incoming manager I was omojiska and some ade adwumafo for wa bra no and some aye update eba Arsenal yes say at the planet turn ho wonim say me no ka say Arsenal wo mo training complex a chese no your friends are calling me aye training grounds no yes wo ma to name right no and some adama company bako na company na Arsenal and some ato omo training grounds I name me right no and some adama from Sompa now Sompa no yes way just omo ye company omo base e Dubai now omo ye luxury real estate developers na sanya real estate bi akeke and I down estate there na my so and 2 bedroom masa almost we no a luxury what to say there be a kind of luxury no nti almost say almost a luxury company no a bonus say be a real estate not just no a investor ko I just say almost do musika no abema Arsenal interfere na kura Arsenal almost training complex no e dinam aye Sompa Realty Training Center. Soba Realty Training Center says, hey, Sana Arsenal, woman some training complex, and some the and what report to me, understand. Arsenal, woman training keteno, and yet just woman shadow bubble. No mom also training asem, and Arsenal fan about training na woman tad and a betty I take answer, I yes leave no, woman some that is so badino, ever go, not just a band training swa, woman support a young training keteno, our brandy, and also some I said yes city, yet I want something now, and some my yet for an anno pay, and some our shoulder so now report to me, and say Chelsea Bobo Kono, woman to me and Rezi. I £100 million and £100 million keke. Nemo omu resino. Yes, I was set a free homegrown stars. And we never. There's a homegrown players, you know. Sebia Kono Galliganum and Chelsea James and sa boys, you know. I was at Chelsea. Etimi Tunton be a resi £100 million. And yes, idea. Na Chelsea Bobo Kono and some other British financial fair play. And no I update eba on seminal. Yet the emir for an anno pay and some our shoulders on him say and our break koba say Bobo Kwe friend say Leon no monim so mato sai Ben Rama every none of Pembeka was some chose Ben Rama akwa Leon wo mu training kit I just said some okotroni yeti an so say Bama do no ntimi ma so say anya omo nkwa na was time edi di omo wonim say Pablo Fornals enra no some akọ Real Betis enra Betis anso do no Pablo Fornals omo ntimi anwie na Betis ankasa no pamie ntia yesem omo trade akwa kama FIFA na some Real Betis I can say FIFA for no omo hu omo mobo adan a omo computer ana ehu touch ma enu nti na ama do no ama so omo say almost a computer na who touch Manuntina, a man for nas and your man Omantimian, woman some Najan Sabia FIFA, Abate Omas and Wati, Leon Fonos, my catch on a pay say, woman some Adamodiana Cocotum Arches and no, and so I Kakra Manchester United, and Romani Janasaya say, Kobe Mainum. Manchester coach Eric Ten Hag Mona Basso because on one I'm a boy Monso Mahon Onum say I somewhere 2022 the first time and that's the first season our mind you yes coach them Aquashe reserve team under 21 for no now Okwena under 21 for no popo what should could be main dean yes coach no every some say Akolabeni almost say yen kwada ne bia could be menu and yes or catch say na kwada no ne na fafo ebobo and I just feel too comfortable. Now, as a boy, one in the age mate and under 21 for now, as a boy, on him Kodabi and I want to sanitary also on promotion. And since then, and a manager and some keep you close eye. Our Julia Basa could be main Subaka, I have first team messing and no some other Amamino Kasai, one of some Nadia Kodana Babel Enra on Marcus Rashford, coach, and some letter key time. A branch of Rashford and some Abbas Eric Ten Hag manager Kakra.
I think the whole team played very good and Messi as well, but we know that. And you see the last games, they're coming about in the front line, and if they get the surface from the back, they are a threat, I think, for every opposition.
Yes, I know I am some Manchester United manager. Eric Ten Hag, and I'll tell you, didn't Semino, and my for baby and I'm a Anderson and Tony Bako, Ebusan says, my phono, I said, more vulnerability. I was so Manchester bet me a dominating game. But we are dang, Bob at Tomonet. What you must say? Man, you bet me a bash a bed and almost so consider Enra. Just a million set 3 1 on my Titiona. So, no, soon 3 massa. Agenda boss at Chichi Pimpanies. Yabago, agenda evidence of where we answer. Kobe Mainu, Abba San Yakum. Now, vulnerability at Yano. Man United coach in the Kaka home.
I think switching off, but also reading the game. It's about when you're up, keeping the ball. Save the ball. We want too much goal for another goal instead of keeping the ball, let the opponent run. Now we going for goal, too much risk.
Yes, I know I am manager fans Eric Ten Hag now Tessa your Dana accepts Emma I'm in front to one himself manager your friend say Carlo Ancelotti omunano and some other say defender omakwada ne sansano pai make catch so omutiri ba say no you see and Crotrodo should Bellingham a catch Mason Greenwood or slide area what tackle area my body control and what case rapist now omo reading no omo so omo kan unsano pa make catch say your tafel for so omo demand Agena, your friend Ojo, na any other says Ampa Kodana, your friend Jude Ekasateno, na and a German can say investigation about me Akosudia, and just a referee at Chesandra, one a day a taffy, and a Real Madrid, Omugamano, at the shot and report to them and Sana investigation at me Akoso, so referee and capture our chest and report to Mudia, and they should balance and bet me off on a home sweaty, make a try to press a player, your friend is Antonio Rudiger, and so Kakopra, as a matter of plus the prano mu propra na Jamaican say next game I am Madrid derby make catch us some declare operation 12 points and started from Las Palmas at the call aya tafe o ma klam mu no awie next two aya Chabobokua your friend Atletico and Fatima and no some aya Girona next aya Atletico Jamaican say only central defenders are metes a manager about Danny Cavaya and the Forlan Mendy our central defense to say and a back four and some Nabasiako, Ebia Danny Cavayamum, I'm not considering number 2. Nacho and a Forlan Mendy, Abawa Central Defense, now Quatana, your friend from Garcia, and some our left back at Yamatimino, and I said a Real Madrid, and so Abaso Moshenioma. Now I brought me catch Sella Porter, Aqua interview, and Anno Peshe, about a Ghana time no okay, Urana say you want to just say. ayade sa Zavi e ban ho be ka twa no sa obeso oja adwuma no ede to no woko nyese bia season enjo no mom or resign animanimu ya with immediate effect no wono Zavi abeso woko na mom oka twa no say so no president na ebeti ase ama Zavi akode a eje so mbo season wie na so omo season wie ya onti ase ne enti ase kina ama Zavi enso enko esansa ne ono and ebe sake Zavi on pesi adini di ebe bataho and what you crown one a wutie no one to Barcelona and chen Zavi you be on from Barca and Wabo wo coachi Barca adana koma so and it's a new man koya mamon kasebia Zavi wasan tonu de on timi sake Zavi danamom sankanya Zavi na coachi and there be a me ya mwakuna kami almost sama se krache wasim anya Zavi and anke any other manager any other coach and come upon no crano and catch it so rano and some other sansan betuka na the opening in say what you players need one game against Napoli or GDS Kwambiaso no one some other Napoli front and back and some qualify what them say players na are committed one some other Jumano run say you want to just video assistant referee ono on pay na asamo da na ebaye wo dey say na referee mistake ebe kwatiawo imagine say referee ebe your mistake e ma akọ 6 times na be kwatia aye bonsa na Madrid enjoy and the video assistant referee there one the Bal League no say one the Baba Real Madrid owura kan pan so did e ba say Real Madrid and benefit here one anya ho mfaso na mum say brano so no referee say Leo Messi I was say bonsa nana one so aba na referee say Leo Messi ano aya asma referee say Laporta and some other tuja and no me kan be some outena wo free aya Mercedes akwa Ferrari and I pay update a woman here. Jaminya say, Uko Italia, woman celebrate because of Ferrari, no, an Italian company. Now, almost same about 40 million euros a season. Every cross will quote 50, but I'm in front of 40 million euros a season. I know we're trying to sell some mountain and some about report to me and say Ferrari almost some AFCON kind pa. Says a company no brand, you know, and yet worth 68 billion euros. I just say about 2024 and 2025 employees are one year Jumanom, 1 year Marco 5,000. Jamian so Italy wa Nipo Marco 5,000 and a year Juma Adama Ferrari. Omo bonus on this year. Yaswamatum. At a 13,500. Nyame Adama 2025 na Hamilton Ebano. One tum at the free 13,500 at the call 17,000 euros. I know at your bonus Ferrari employees in Ebenya, Manchester Sebastian Vettel and about Kako replace at Hamilton and some Mercedes our brand Pino and no and some update to Eba on something nano yet the Emmy and Ano pay. I was shown so nice young Quadamum Fury and Union Tokanum. Usikediano, what almost say per view US one I 69.99. Next, how much about no I 856 Ghana, 36 and 8.5 million. And yet today, what near Bobby knockout on us, Sikashiagu.
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ya adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketua Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a woma gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha ba bia womu wo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. That's a 21st clinic. One way sciatica expert.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef's chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy wherever you are. Call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Bra na minya Royal Foam mattress no. How bebre na me komu. Medam panosweni na atom. Na mechi kase so na me honam nyina ya me ya. Na de kume kra ne se. Ya no mo so beda so ape. Na wagya me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwesi da so ape. E na oye me ho ade. Congratulations dear me fa no kwa. Asedan komo Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa fi. Oje aware Royal Foam. What nane relaxation ayede awoto so a wunya wo mu ne se Royal Foam mattress papa yie kilted mattress inti woda so a ama wona ye foam se woto mattress free Royal Foam a cheche wo free pillows. Royal Foam aje abasobode 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no mu yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ne carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi hwehwe yen wo Royal Foam showrooms any sales depots ewo Ghana fanany na free 020-227-1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
From our clean water tanks, water which is rich with natural minerals sourced from over 100 meters underground is taken through purification, where our highly skilled personnel equipped with the modern state-of-the-art laboratory run all standard tests to ensure that purity is 100%. Because at Obibini Blackman Company Limited, quality is our hallmark. Bottling continues immediately in a clean and hygienic environment approved by the Ghana Food and Drugs Authority. Because water is life, but unclean water is definitely not life. After years of research into water purification systems, the result is water that can compete with any other on the international market. Stay healthy and hydrated with the new Zet Natural Mineral Water.
We are back, bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their front two, with Free Play Friday and Swipe Bet. In the middle, you've got all the control with Cash Out and Build a Bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bet. At the back, they have Smart Picks and the Partial Daily Jackpot.
You always get way more with Betway.
Breaking news. Vodafone Ghana is becoming Telecel. Stay tuned.
So wallpapers papa OP wallpapers and American for amount. So wallpapers at their decorative offices. So fee and sorry. Say ye perhaps ahodo. Baby bia unya wallpaper de do juma biano. OP wallpapers Efro. Yama wallpapers ebe macho blind curtains. Eba bedside lamps and so OP MR types or mar shapes. Colors ahodo ni nyina. Ubenya biato ewa na so ye ho. Say OP LED backlight e de above flash screen echia. And so OP ebe so selfie ring lights out of phone bishim OP wallpapers and a bema selfie ring lights OP ewo Kumasi Adum first floor Nana Kwesi Agyeman building name eben hello FM Tafo GNTC building first floor ana chronom our barrier on the market na edian hwe so open wholesale ana retail any OP any insa so for OP our 0540353750. Wo yemre na fe yemra meto aso e wo studios na yemfa na sema Kunlun Ghana Limited. I was say your bomb pen fon so aba so na ye mom so akwaba. Kunlun Ghana Limited de nupa ana banenroi. Am say nye ana Kunlun start so mo ye adwuma no de. Wo mo de papa ni bi aba ato apete pharmaceutical shops and herbal shops ni nyina mu de dada. Na dre friend say hunchu capsules ano de. Say wo ye bema na dwonso na wo problem e wo so dwonso a na mu achem ye no dwonso a wo te so bema mu hyehyew ana so bema mu aye ya uyo bi ase wo no wadwonso wie kra waka wa yi na hyem no still na say ebi suso gu boxes ni mu ana chese bia shops ni mu abomode yan say obepe dre friend say hunchu capsules ni bi na wo so watimi abobaba boawo na sa bo ho ba ama prostate ni nyina no watu ase comment so ye bema na prostate enlargement and I say be a prostate aye cancer and a person hawa hunchu capsules and so ebebuawo Mr. Q aye mema dru e wodwaso we aye tatashe edi mema se mo pa se oye bema sexual weakness afei wosisim and aye ya ache se ba aye severe bema watinka sem e wo form afei ebi ache so wo kra be se sorry a wo sorry kakran bema so den kamu so wo be se sorry a yiri na che se em se watie gina na wache sampa wo bema mu so ye bema na wo sorry a se fere wo ba mesro wo drone aye Mr. Q and a beboawo premature ejaculation nyina no eno so ebetu ase one time na afei wo so wagina na so kama e man ye nya mu so yo ba araba bazem pills and a beboawo araba bazem pills so baby a wono bi da ebedi adanse ese eno esiesie wo ba na mo ahemfio enso aye kama pa wo yo ba bosomia so menstrual pains afei menstrual disorders uflo enshada maye e ba ne famien se na atwa na se yo de ofu se bi o de ane dia wo nshada ncha mame meso abomode enso beboa na afei flow ni nyina bekọ na amamoja no enso atimi circulate oba ebesam watimi anya tenkamo for ama what de enso awompam to Kunlun Ghana Limited wo munu pe bia befa bia no wonsa enso ebeka bi bomode enso be frem panifo no e was 0244 275 429 0244 275 429 0206 271 016 0206 271 016 na just say Kunlun Ghana Limited when mpanyfo no enkasa na omonyo omo asere be a diaka ni nyina no wo mo so edebe so ama OP wo pepe sa himfie eye ho ko na kwadwo wo pepe na wo ha ho emphasize kan konkoto paint na nkofa asem bia embesa sa wo pepe no ya the designing aye chese bedrooms no ya the designing baby at the living room afei a school dama fie mu wo be so decoration aye kama OP ema wo pepe no bia to and the blind curtains and nam match ema colors designs and so kan our bedside lamps our born da from kama TV backlight to the board flash screen achi and it's our TV and my site and so nya problem wo per plastic wardrobes afei we air diffusers or per center carpet ni biato aye near furniture flowers and our pato and they are deco wo per wall clocks as a designer feye pa OP as a bra water fountain and a dat ni nyina no and also that game OP akwa fabi and so aba e born a da from kama a dum pizzy na just say a dum pizza tono or nana kwasi agyeman build the first floor and on sabekam OP afei udu chronomon so chronom barrier one market and a D and share aye 0540 353 750 0540 353 750 now only OP and some and kasa Vodafone my first broadband now first broadband no my fie aye kama unsan kodano say akwada keto over 5 years efafuna de order be open in the ground to me ye ni nyina na internet is internet no wo pe aye the most reliable access connectivity and I was aye super fast internet and aye Vodafone amo broadband and am de amount and no pepe bi to e bon e wo from kama fei say wo subscribe 1 month ya be ma 50% bonus data wo subscribe bosome miensa ene akire na just 3 months e kwa wo benya 50% bonus data ebiem yesa baba free installation amount aye Vodafone kwana dwon ho adwempanu ntina masa no ma ni nyina no wo ma yede ma yen consumers and yen customers wo dial star 900 hash star 900 hash and I say wo be free 0505 555 111 0505 555-111 and I say my Vodafone app and so whoop so a fbb.vodafone.com.gh now I sign up ama sika semni nyina no and so I come memfa when twim na fei memra Michael ne Bishop away na expert in sciatica I 21st clinic yale de ya pa ya de ya ha dwen say wo fie na manfo koba da bia na betu wo fie ya de adokoro wa che amani padua no kwa no wa pa ba edu ba bi kwa ye say and dini nyina me so emane hana 21st clinic say yen kan twa say we aye clinic a wo ba wo ma bo atimi atu nyado ne nyina se enim ya de haw ene enim ya de eteto ano pe yen pese bo bi din na ye gya bia no tu de bomodi anso beba na sciatica ne de ye tenete maka twa say hon yen so ano ne mom ye tu ase ekwa ensama biam sciatica ne say so your banner so your bema efu sisi etimi ya wo yara na asane e de aba wo to ase wo sa to ekwa ne ya daje na se ba beba wo to ase ba sa na ne ntinimu twetwon emututu eba wo sirem eba wo nantu esane de aba wo na se na wo jo ho ho hyehye tutu a wona 21st clinic empanifo no enso enkasana omomuaw ultrasound scan ultramodel laboratory body massage ana afemeka some machine treatment ni nyina no ya be running in tempa so e de amaw kuma se ya we hwa overseas junction ya be alpha radio afe encry dome market sunwane enkranza ana tachima nyina no kwa won se ebeka 21st clinic afe oboasen so no aye council quarters court junction 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 and answer 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na just say on the 21st clinic empanifo and so enkasawo Mike na ho ya de
fancy nyame ado bibia kama na also
kakaka eguso be ne dey ya na cash out na ye passport na dem say am for me kwa DV play that me friend no say 1001 sikano so bano kama
say sikano ye mfa nye DV plate mfa nye hwe
ne dey
a bottle of the ope any chiwables into ye bedi hu common later but and then I want to address the nation. Now the nation's address started from Ivory Coast AFCON Diaries and ye be a page now fancy was here the Rantier me and Sana Koi. Yeah, the Benjamin Eko con Ricardo
Passport.
Yeah, the Alexa Mahmoud Sugar and a Michael Akomia Jemfi. Na Enra, mienu ye juma pa baba ko die ono so ye juma. Ejuma no. Mo fast Sugar we no WhatsApp status in fanto so fama me. Sugar, Alexa Mahmoud, yeah. Ivory Coast is sweet. Love is sweet. I am not coming back. Sorry, doctor. Eyodasem.
Hey.
Alasa Mahmoud Sugar. Yeah, the work tournament. Ivory Coast unya one man to crowd. Odoede na Ivory Coast so de. To ye la so.
Onye la so se ba biem. To pa doctor acho.
Ah, papa la cho.
Say onya ma biem.
Don't forget no crowd.
Okay.
Sugar no.
Asa ade be kun ayi.
Yeah, the work tournament.
Or say your tournament can wait.
Yeah, for Sugar there no concord. But first the NBA page, page number 1. Endra, Ivory Coast on AFCON Diaries. Also the 13th Africa Games live draw for the football event. A man in Mema. Na Kapa yen shisha say for a Mema no under 20 national team nebebo. A man so under 20 national team nebebo. Na Michael Akomia Jemfi eko kopie mo dwumedi na say draw na ekoso no na Akomia enso ho or cover. Owie no anok kan report we the bomu e the breast. Yeso ye na yahwefo ye ne omonchenti yenko ne yenkofa Akomia.
Papa at the Sompa FM Sompa TV. Aha, Sofitel, Abidjan Plateau. Na Osha and Education Pune Poso Hase. In the All African Games 2023, Ghana and host Accra. Na aha men's football ni women's football drawn na etimi ekoso na ebebru hase no Amanda Lamini a ono si akade South Africa man pepe no ono ene be on the mama wa no ana Emmanuel Ebue former asset player Arsenal yin Emmanuel Ebue ono so be drawn no e de ma men's football na drawn no eba na wiye no si free women's football na group A Ghana one se on Tanzania on Uganda and Ethiopia and group A. Ne kopiem group B so a yebenya Nigeria, Senegal, Cameroon and Morocco. Omo akwakwa ehia omo den say bia betimi ade trophy yes na so. Yebehwe group A e wo mema afam Ghana as the host nation ono no wo dada. Ba mema no teams mako 9 na wo say 10 ba kontimi ma 89 no ana ya boy ho modern yetimi ade omo na group A Ghana, Benin, Congo and Gambia. Ana obehwe group B so Nigeria, South Sudan, Senegal, Uganda and Tunisia. Ana also group B. It omo nyina be share one kind. No more modern. This time around obetimi ade EDC na so. We Sompa FM, Sompa TV. Live draw of the men's football of all African Games 2023 Accra Ghana. And ana ye de premu.
The first way Michael Akomia's brilliant report on Africa Games, the 13th edition. I shall see in Ghana on March 8th. Now March 23. Inti say na shishene si kwaya wa because inti ono kokoba wie no. Osanso di dwumedi ahodo. Sugar dia na me dedi nka to dwade am say sugar dia ne dia WhatsApp status. Ene sebe Ivory Coast emano ana wati ato omodom. Na enra so Ricardo Vargas kopie mu the final training sessions of Angola and then Nigeria. First, yemfa the training session of Angola. Na how almost prepare against the Nigeria game. Almost training session say obia ye fit almost training say against Nigeria no omobebo omode no medijuma. Na within kind boss so Vargas e cover 2 training sessions Nigeria and Angola. Yango here Nigeria for so there no training session. No was that there were concerns about goalkeeper Stanley Wabali. Yes. But he was able to train yesterday. It looks like 90% likely say obe start a game no. And so they are mad the Super Green Eagles. In Tianko Favaras in the report to the free or by. Last year so Nigeria for na share our screen is so mo training so omo a full house obi a fit or betimi abo game no and so Ediama omo Niger if selected by coach Jose Pesero. Now once you drew knockout stage say na ayana penalties to me PM extra time to me PM you can never predict the outcome of the game. Into Nigeria for no more training no almost also practice penalties and so at the car and so your cameras na capture bi into yankohwe Nigeria or more practice of training during practice of penalty during training no into that's why there's a players no mo gina ho pe na we abo no dey atum we gina ho no abo no dey atum nti say could do penalties I mean sure say anything will surprise the Nigerians. Football there and also a bit to play out. But the point remains that Nigeria have prepared effectively for this game. Say a 4-time number renew extra time and a penalty, so they are keen to make it to the semi-final stage of the Africa Cup of Nations. In Thierry, and the matches to Airbus, so there were 2 games, but overall your quarter-final stage. Into my quarter-final matches, no number 1. Now yenche how the lineup no. See at here 2 games maybe so and there you not 2 games so about so yankopon ya adomochina enti enda no ya Nigeria Angola starting 5 p.m. and ya DR Congo almost in Guinea and also maybe so 8 p.m. Then tomorrow ya Mali versus Ivory Coast a francophone derby and also about so 5 p.m. na afe so Cape Verde Islands versus the Republic of South Africa and also be baso nyankopon ya adomochina 8 p.m. Inti end the games no sana ebeko 2 games Nigeria Angola and then DRC versus Guinea nano ana sugar ni akomia sugar di doni wie no se afe di adwuma no abane ni so intoni akomia betum pasa na omaye interviews no omone Jose Pesero oye coach Edema Nigeria omo national team leading komo and we be say coach na as coach na game here baso ne ho hyehyɛ no sign na obeka dia fa motivation ben kra and Nigeria team no omunya ompese ombaji AFCON way and so this omo na so yentie the coach Jose Pesero ono so kai
If you want to win AFCON, is the motivation, enough motivation or not? For Nigerian people, for Perigos, for our families, for our players, for everybody.
Anything for anyone that says that you approach your system is too pragmatic.
Pragmatic?
Yes.
Our team is a team more clear opportunity. It's pragmatic. If you create opportunity, it's pragmatic. You need to play one consistent match.
And no sugar near Comia Jumedi or Mokodi and answer almost sounds on William Truster Kong in common. One, Omone Kasa about Angola team. They say Angola team they say Sakra and Nigeria AFCON imagine in Premier and Sasso 1980, 94 and then 2013. Angola there's somewhere small to see they be a small team being where what competition way more. And TNT William Truster Kong.
They're a smaller team. As you saying that's a smaller team. I think this AFCON has taught everybody that the level is increasing. There's no such thing as a small team and a big team anymore. And yeah, we want to win the game. Like every game, we want to win the game.
Yeah, no, yeah, William Truster Kong. Now, there is something symbolic about this game. Related all the way back to 1989.
Okay.
Now, a World Cup qualifier, somewhere, I guess, 1989. Nigeria versus Angola. And Samuel Okoraji. A collapse at a very early age of 25. Now Nigeria for say Okoraji no Angola for no mobile most of work because I match or money on mobile and a brand in the trashia or no they will play the game for Okoraji. William Truster Kong Kasafa Honkakra in Tieno.
You've been told some of these things.
Every game we play, there always history behind it. Between Cameroon, there's a history. Between Ivory Coast, there's a history. Between Equatorial Guinea, there's a history. So, this is part and parcel of football. I think we just concentrate on our job. We want to win this game because we want to win this game, not because of what has happened before or what's going to happen after. So, yeah, we are motivated as much as always, and we're going to take it very serious on Friday.
Enti we know William Truster Kong one Michael Akomia and Alasa Mahmoud Sugar to komo on the AFCON game on Angola but na Nigeria fans ni bi so dey aka for komo ni omo kwetwetwen komo and it was basically about how omo supported the Super Green Eagles and the kwan omo fa so manioma kind of moment yenko na yemfa that production from the CAF team with the Nigeria Super Green Eagles fans enti my Niger fan also supported the Super Green Eagles.
Wow.
Yeah, from 1990.
Serious.
To the team, and they do this consistently at major competitions in Nigeria. Also, now to my favorite part as part of the AFCON diaries, social media. Now, social media, no, was a Beast of No Nation movie. No?
Oh yeah.
Now, Idris Elba, he was a villain in that movie. Now, a Drew baby, I know Moko CZ Bridge now, all galvanizer boys, no. All person morally supporting Obi Akotwa say Jose Pesero ni speech or them Nigeria players na ahead of the game. Nti oma me Jose Pesero ni speech no na yentie nsema oka e dey share ni players no ahead of the Angola game.
I'm only taking the brave. I'm not taking the scary. I'm not taking no guys. Are you ready to fight? Are you ready to fight? Yes, sir. You want to take that bridge? Yes, sir.
When Jose Pesero and Nigeria players they should come by and say all rally on into Omona and Tokwa. Omo person omo CZ Bridge no. Bridge near the end, the bridge that qualifies Nigeria to the semi-final stage. And yeah, no Nigeria for be so kasa, but I say who kakra wom. Now there's a Nigerian pundit on a podcast. Na oma an analysis of the game. Yenti ono sinense mo kafa Nigeria and Angola game now.
Nigerians, the matter they make Africa and Nigeria case no. Ghana join them. We don't have the entire. Cameroon don't join the entire. All African countries, big countries, they make man. Natural. I'm taking Nigeria. If we don't make what we want to. But if we sleep on Angola, if we never confident on Angola can break us easily.
And also here, pundits know the prediction or the other on the Angola-Nigeria game. Onim Tenny, for your case, yo, baby. Send them at Tony Mnekama. For your case, yo. Cause my papa no be that. Sompa Sports. Okay, yeah. say come on.
As I say, no.
And the tennis was in a prediction about. Hey, on my tennis prediction, no, Nigeria will win Angola. And it's all catch them so my media and the difference be in them or Nigeria ni proudly representing Nigeria. To us Nigeria besha Angola and yet different bia. But news no it misses now. Nigeria for motivation be or ni na say e sika. You treat sika di amomo and it's to financially motivate them ahead of the game. Into mame Nigeria motivation now, Puja Media, and so cover say a payment at the moment to say Yama players no $30,000 each for a more qualification bonus, and then more 20 days daily allowance. In terms of per diem Mayaki Kabum plus $30,000 each as qualification bonus. Inti and no best players nim crying ahead of game or money Angola Babebo. Now Okorajia Semna Mekano. It looks like the Nigerian fans are eating much more into it and they want to cash in on it. The Omo Yene say Omo de abeto Twitter on social media flows Omo Semne say Okoraji wo no mema Omo mane nyakwa. Nti Omo me Okoraji tweet no anyway. When Nigeria played Angola on August 12, 1989 in a World Cup qualifying match, Samuel Okoraji collapsed at the 77th minute and lost his life. That was the last match he ever played. The Super Eagles, let's win this match today for Samuel Okoraji. So Nigeria wants to use this event to draw inspiration and drive their team to victory. And see Adi Omoka. But game ways, all person ko fi kesi mo koye bibi fa ho a. Obi the betting advice be the aba. Yeah, betting advice. You need to be very cautious, especially considering the trend aba this AFCON. And today's a betting advice. In anything you do today, don't bet on Nigeria to win Angola. Agba editor into Nigeria ni enya Ghana ni. In anything, adibia obeye ndebiano. Hwe na wan fa Nigeria so obesha Angola anka bet ho. Enye sadia ebedi unya. Na ye wo Steve Labil, Cameroonian photographer, CAF accredited na our tournament we. Also then a prediction for end matches number. Enti the celeb photographer no, the prediction is 1 DR Congo be qualify, 2 Angola be qualify. Na minim say Nigeria for ni Cameroon for free munintie dia. And Steve Labil say Angola and Congo will qualify today. You saw it here first. And all the thumbs up no. And so but there is a DSTV battle ongoing. This AFCON now a DSTV versus GTV featuring Star Times. Now no ye Ghana. Now
later ECG for do mo ba mo say mo deda mo ye nyina no.
We have gotten an inter-country battle this time around. DSTV Angola versus DSTV Niger. Yenhwe DSTV Angola. Na so person almost three Nigeria for say omo ni ma de ana bo na ebo no omo sanso nimbo. So DSTV Angola ko tweet say 1 Cuando os palancas entram en campo, now a jogo a aula. Palancas enter the field. It's not a game, it's a class. DSTV Nigeria, prepare your notebooks for note. We know the can say classes are shares here, but Nigeria for number class. Abro mo en social and social nyakopon yard much na. Omo posting enra. Nigeria for no response no. DSTV Nigeria for no by any. Yes, or Korea na kofa antelope and watching it in the room. And about say hi DSTV Angola. We want all the snake the smoke. Now it's a Nigeria for any abre. Mo dia mon kasa. The eagle. Good. And Nigeria in this tournament, Asia the elephant or maybe omusun kunim. Omeshia the lion or maybe omusun kunim. Now they are facing Omeshia the African wild dog. Any a Guinea Bissau for no. So they are facing the antelopes. And then the antelope they are to survive in the face of an eagle. It's Nigeria for what GDA said. They will use this to win against the Angolans now almost qualifying. When the AFCON diaries here close the chapter no, it will end the year. So we wish all the teams the best of luck. Nyakopon yard much. Now Oma with Sugar. The WhatsApp status ni bion. Sugar. Oh, cover tournament. You catch Dr. Blazer first year. Ivory Coast is sweet. Love is sweet. I am not coming back. Sorry, doctor. I order them. Oba betu yewa.
Yeda se. Mike yenso yeda se. Yemra so na membra Bishop Ata Poku oba before. Sharak mama men clear no wishes in front real quick ansana. Yaba so na yaba betu aso edi every bishop ona. Jedi kan o say happy birthday to Owusu George. Your friend Kama. Owusu George and your birthday before junction and you have a show happy birthday in tea. Baby, I will be an Yamenyo Kasanafi on ye Wakoma Swadi and so and fam Mount Ebiem. Happy birthday to Papa Nyameke, the General. Papa Nyameke and Wada. You have a show happy birthday, Yamishrao. Now on ye Wakoma Swadi and so and fam. Baby, I will be an a papa. Yamenyo Kasa on Kaho. Now on my and your man so and Kokama and so and famao. Just no and so and no. When to say yaw talk I would die nti yaw talk on so diano happy birthday and so elko edi ama yaw talk say Jessica and every show nti baby obi yaw talk Jessica every show happy birthday and anopay afi happy birthday to Ampon Henderson where you bay ba Kofi Uroko Atabubu anawo nti baby awo biano Ampon Henderson and so your birthday happy birthday and so elko and so edi amount well Bishop
Mira na bibi aboko de
na me adum kakra na nso
akaska
akwaba na anu ye na still
onu Mira music system dey akwaba
kwa so sanka fa ya unta
na se ma ya kunta wi
anso
na o ka ko si sen no o ka ko si sen
and then as say am say odi a year pe general mosquito
I need them pa because adwuma na ye be ne na no edin eni abre pa
wa shwa kota de
maba Mira me da CPM say yentin som na som Ghana for na bibia ntin konka baby a wo bia ma akwaba ha Sompa TV and in radio so ya ba no so de na ya ba and right me ko PM o Molyneux Wolverhampton I just say England Cromon there home fin Midlands so and na Molyneux na e di sika unti metna anto ayampia yanka for sika ko o mbedi wadi da free say ko twa no wan kan kire udi so a o ma yebi ntia na de no mundi sika o mbedi da na o hwa de ni mu a it was a game full of errors and it was a game full of drama and passion but the moment of stability ayenya was the 90+7th minute Kobe Menu, it's me Danny game the Manchester United. No. A lot happened. Mekai said, boy, I bono. I said, don't hate ya, so be a far header. Emma Alessandro Martinez, were lying so. They had another shot in the box, and also no be himself, Tonet, the Mary, and APA. Nemum, how scrappy some of the goals were. Rasmus Højlund, Nediano. Then the fact that Osasha another go again to Mianji. Now, Manchester United, I called 2-0. Because there is a repost from Marcus Rashford. And some are and saying, yeah, be fine, yeah, fine, about you, why I know. Still, Obejina game num bonnet diaunim, now Bowie, or Sanya go. Manchester United actually ran into an unassailable lead. 2-0.
Yeah.
Until Nyamako Danea, Ebeye and Sembibre, and Max Kilman, and the likes decided to take the fight to Manchester United. Abeye 3-2, only for Pedro Neto. Player bakwa mi GD
Sompa Sports
in the summer transfer window. Among for the corner left-footed winger now wing forward. Oma goals. I can the usual playmaking no. And in recent times, so all left-footed player Oma goals are about me pa. Leroy Sané at Manchester City started showing the way. Nemom ansa na obeye sa no na Riyad Mahrez ahyase e Leicester City.
Yes.
Utumus a left-footed player or ye benkum a wasen kotete no obo number 11 but then ye na begina number 7.
Yeah.
E da sa otwem no akele bo na mo bi ahyew anaso no atwem wuram ne se wakati in no wa fire shot na na eba Mohamed Salah abeji mu che asoa edi mu tintimaya mana be the best attacking forward in the Premier League. Bukayo Saka aye ede aba Arsenal.
Yes.
Obi ani to abi. Na send the Copa or Chelsea no. Ebi eno no. Obeka say he is on his way.
There's a Bass and Solami Yamamo.
Oye ne de wo ho. Baby abefa bia only left-footed wing forward a odi ni Juma and Pedro Neto ni Juma na odi no. Ade a sani konkan oni Pablo Sarabia mo. Omo ye ni ombetima ye bia na so Kobe Mainoo's moment was a crowning moment. So near Mary Forson, a boss, I want to know. Now decided to say, no, and then me ameje adwuma na hye me nsem na makọ wie adwuma no de ama me team, and it was such a delightful chip. He was aware so penalty box.
Okay,
when he's opened up his body, send a bit back Kelly ball around the goalkeeper, and he did it so well.
No ball born in anonym say washe.
Look, I mean, the free na no ni na we be in the body num kama, baby ojana nim say or the defender no and I gauge and or the mark keeper no. So no defender no kill no defender no ho a better keeper than Sechi, and it exactly was the case. I mean, it was a brilliant strike to secure all the 3 points for Manchester United in a 7-goal thriller at the Molineux on Thursday night. In Tiameka said it was such a good game, and Rashford actually said in spite of all the troubles and the challenges, and in Sama Yekakano, still Onimniaoye, I don't know Kobe Mainoo's crowning moment. It was a moment we've been waiting for. Rasmus Holland near the first Premier League goal. And I should be that.
A Premier League as an answer TB.
Our TB. Because not the Nina Champions League. Yeah. Now I'm for Bonnet, but then it's good to see him on the score. Sompa He got another one by referee by Bekache say, and yeah, there you go. Enra on Talk Sport. Now, I just say me Stefan Borsen, the former advisor to Manchester City, and then come on a Jim White Moody about Chelsea and the FFP. You see, at best. It's central for the air one bring friend privilege information. Name nipa na okwaji information na free no no. Hwe hunu say onim ne ekoso sene wo. Me wo ha asemesi. Na obi ebisa me abonte na me ka bi a kire no. Na odi kodi nkomo wo ba bi a. Omeka say asomesi de em so oben omo panti na oka no kresa no. Nemu ne obeka kire no fa hwe otirim say ye yete ha no ye nim ne ekoso ese wo. Into me aka say Chelsea could face potential FFP challenges. A financial fair play no. Nemum can say Chelsea nim if they are going into such a situation.
Okay.
The Chelsea because how do more. Manisha would say omo ye club no. Omo nim pefe say omo because how no. Now it is quite obvious. Say Chelsea win. Say FFP ni bit be di omo nwamo. O he Omo Nyoma no mo now. We read this Chelsea signings in recent times, no. Nkunku, Desasi, Sanchez, Ugochukwu, Lavia, Caicedo, David Washington, Jackson, Cole Palmer, Malo Gusto. Just a baby Fabiano, almost sign Enzo Fernandez, Nemu, Obia sign be. You with the number of years and at Chelsea, Edema players were in terms of contract. 8 years, 7.5 years, 8 years. Saturday na no mo ye no freeze na edentia. Na Chelsea who say sin to be. And no mo bohoto kro omo yusu. Na ya bi tua sa sinto no. Until now the amortization becomes a problem for Chelsea. And unti omo ye insiders no. Omo I predict this a prediction based on experience, not verifiable raw data from Chelsea, because Chelsea and time of financial statement and farmer fancy the money say na ag na fako na kudi nkomo Sompa. They won't do that. At best they will try and paint a picture for you. Even the picture they paint, they will be reasonable because some more details be blah. Wait in their home. So Chelsea potentially will be facing these problems according to Borsen. Name also Chelsea a ton players, and it's not more here anymore than Chelsea but ton players during this winter transfer window. Name omu say Chelsea bet my ton players in 10th at the end of the season because they are counting year 1st July to 30th June.
Yeah.
What it means is that the accounting year for 2023-24 season would end on the 30th of June. What it means is that I was Chelsea and ton players. Into because Konogalaga say Chelsea bet my ton 60 million, and then Boston is raising say look, maybe I can say no pay euros ni biabo. Into year their ton. Obeka Chelsea manim bonwe. Every euros no July. Until the time of obe free say England the free term are fine. Some of free term na some ko animu kakra quarters semi final baby. And some more July no. Accounting will no close on the 30th. And he is predicting that there will be fire sale at Chelsea, and Chelsea would certainly face these problems. Normal problems, no, Gidi say a double breach because unlike Everton, Chelsea here said they could potentially face that problem. And unti and no more year contract and 8 years, 7 years, and the players now on the buy. At best, it could be a predictive analysis. Presuming say this until say we get a copy of Chelsea's financial fair play statement. And I say, I'm financial records for the accounting year. I bet try and come on also. Now, as I'm now can say, Mr. Kakra. Said Benramano, or could do France. Washata dear. Or Kokusia can Ediama Leon.
Sompa Sports.
West Ham Nti. Adena Ntimiama.
Devi.
Nenya Omonkwa. Pablo Fornals. Also come.
Yeah.
Maybe I will be a young company and correct near SC. In recent times, ama ye din come. Recent times, near Chirasa Muse, a free wretch, Bessin Ra, and then Anahamachi Muno. A better also added the net account near the Hunkomo. Near BB. Side Benrama no account of Brentford. Only Watkins. Yeah. And a Brian in Bumo.
Omono qualify by.
Yeah.
Now Benrama will form some crazy form in the championship. Yeah.
Benrama and Bibio Biane Mami. Mama Babia and Chen.
As a Hakimi Dienabia.
Sa pepe. Na sa Morocco, Algeria boys na ye more France and Europe no. Omo down mama because we call mama no or 2-bedroom apartment ne mayedu. Nti oni ni kunu ne mani mienu da bakum. No mama kan so da mattress so e wo bakum nti no hia buburo aho kire no omo hu bia nsana omo de anyini nti football no e bebie kwan de ma. Now to the substantive issue. Who can Leon statement now didn't come on chain, especially the friends we have Fabrice Hawkins, especially on American friends in the net because I had the opportunity to WhatsApp him. On him Molina, no mass mom can say. Almost share dinner singing now Leon and you West Ham Indy. Now Edru say Leon paperworks no. And no they call TMS no ko bo mo de shame because no must sign temporary transfer agreement with West Ham. Omuye no mo de temporary transfer agreement no echo the DCNG and a DNCG Direction Nationale de Contrôle de Gestion eno ne eku a e France ehwe Professional Football Class Association omusika semso ene ye pass omo say omo wo ho kwan say omo ye sa Benrama deal no eno na ma Benrama ko share sa Leon atade no
because onum so wawie
nti onko pass medicals onko no onko ye media work nso so se benya Benrama ne picture na ye ni beje won kakra so e ba ne saying na
mo Benrama picture na wa ball Leon for training gear no
oko em say on phone am sure o nani abre a oko ye say adwuma no he is ready to go nemu West Ham omo di can send them omo reminder through email say look ya ye dey area by your system no monya mo dey adeni say na tie it takes two to tango. The selling club and then the buying club. Selling club need the contract no kwakotum. Now buying club no so afemi omo dey what if any TMS transfer matching system. We are and suddenly I requested ITC every English F in ho. Essence West Ham for documents nin koye enko key and share TMS nim
so request
ya enye
yeah.
Until Leon statement no almost the omo ye no omo dwen ho omo ntiase the West Ham because omo from more phones
omo muade
is incomprehensible and very disrespectful akrana nkasa ne buafu ne maame nso buafu de ne say and there's an amunim se mo mane nkwa adenti na mo gigi na ade ne bedu kokko so a similar situation and a Pablo Fornals and a Real Betis and so a crazy now Real Betis vice president cried the same say now West Ham for no more computers and any problems nana they can shift the goalpost at every point transfers so follow be serious obesrew yes player we are feeling medical obakatian say be we plan
and na some be a Chelsea so be here say PSG say Marcelo so be so 3 times almost sending wrong documents no.
Yes, a fax machine in David here so many times. Until it was embarrassing. Tim Stighton and in New Moritz are in charge of the football development and in the business West Ham. A day I no moti hoye, but then I no pay. Ne yesu ya ko hwehwe atene say. There are 2 players ni no. Appeals have been lodged with FIFA.
Yeah.
Some on special dispensation. No intimi bi ma now omo transfer no intimi nko. It's quite interesting with transfers. Minimum, sanity. I bet you in common so na. We know maybe I will be on for penny paper ending come on kakra. Your friend me attack. Your friend
Sompa Sports.
You like football. I like football. The may day akuma. Any year do edi football chino. I'm going to narrate one for you this Friday. It was a long while I boss ankomo will be. You are so be an in the shebre.
That's right.
Obia an in crabby or the berry. Na se ebi so dear. Nyam me ti ya many abri me say by the 6 month metal private jet se ebesia ebeto me nyame nko no nim se football ni niwa enkra no dodo na nko mo be wuntem yeah se football ni niwa enkra no dodo na nka brabone de ombe koseyem ube she obi o se akra we de o junkie yes we de o say o ka so no open ho sa
Devi
nyoma na wo ye privilege o ma me no papa ofie o ma han dan ana o ma si dan mu dem nti upia bonten a ebo 6 na o ma afie a na ya start business akwa no wen. That is the ideal family setup. Ye wo ye nam fofo bia ye ne ondi agra enye o mo ne o papa ene o ma me na etina dem ebia ne papa enko na tete no ana ne papa frim ne ma me nko na tete no ana ne ma me ne papa o mo nware biem o mo ntemate. Just he was raised by a single parent. Omo ye we bi so ho a me madam for Kennedy ye sakra Mr. class 6 na ne ma me ne papa kwa ye o techi ma no mo ba no mo nya akwanhia no mi nu nyina be wuye nti ne nana na raise no ntike enye obi a ne nya ne pepepe ye we obi wo ho a ne ma me ko wo no Abidjan ene omo de ne bai ne papa ya Abidjan ni onim ne papa ne ma me bai no be yare wuye nti ne wo famo abusu afi ho no
krakata
omo na raise no nti ne obia na wo guidelines and say guardians a omo boa te se de o ma me no papa te dem so ya no pa no hu no obia na te sa me show kasa tintin mo san fa atro vidal ni video na all stadium no ento so
o mo me atro vidal Deportivo Colo Colo enra
nya video na
ai Sharak mo san me atro vidal I'm feeling enra
ma hu nyoma bi na ti ase de omo ye no enya atro vidal la ne ball la obebo amom no eno hu nti na omo gina o yes ano Vidal a national star. Everybody knows this.
Yeah.
Over 140 caps for La Furia Roja. Eno dan Chenya yeba sa CONMEBOL no omo Copa America na omo bon teams na ye de omo chichire Copa America no obia di ta Copa America ni bi na aka omo nko an
yeah
and on the generation no ebe jesa defend him
back to back
ntino he's a national star
na Ukraine sign against Leo Messi's Argentina
absolutely na mom ni e kosui and then 2024 kremomeboa
yeah
we omo dano ase for New Year in 2007 and strangely it's a story ahead in 2015 call Santiago omo capital omo university we find a Pontificia Universidad Católica de Chile team bi wo Chile find Universidad La U
yeah
university ni team omo football team omo rival Spani Colo Colo for Colo Colo the most supported team omo over 33 titles this is Arturo Vidal 2006 and obo on the first game edema omo obo on the first game we against Universidad in the final of the League Cup and obo mu late and omo win it 2-1 the first league title OGM
yes
the following year on the G team ni see na I'm 18-year-old boy 19 born gidi and almost he was the main man e brought mu G League in 2007 obo wie ya na okọ 2007 World Under-20 Championship in Canada. Argentina na je sa trophy no Pablo Piatti, Aguero, Maxi Morales, Di Maria, Insua no mu nyina abo sa tournament ni bi. Omo na share omo we odi red card e sa semi final match nim. Prior to the match na born to omo net fancy. Now hotel ho and a Rudivola call no se open. Na ni bufu ya so onye na dwen so obeja kolokolo ho. No top no dwane ko share dem. Nipa okobo ne pono no na ye Mauricio Isla.
Ai.
Isla ko tournament ni bi no se kache. Bayer Leverkusen for Rudy Voller masa sibesenko when fi omo kan so ndi onja kolokolo no Rudy Voller and Paba no call it back now Chile ebedru fie no now Rudy Voller abedru Santiago and obeje Vidal na player bi ewo Villarreal e friend Mati Fernandez Sabrenum on na ne bo e din pa say ya transfer will be out of Chile eko baby na $7 million. But Rudy Voller any Bayer Leverkusen ebe sign Arturo Vidal for $11 million. Omoji 2 league titles ni wie ye no. That team na akwa ahunye msikase mu. Nti so man hia sa Vidal transfers kana nka abo bi chi omo we. Nti Vidal de de or a promised child at the massa kolokolo form. Anunti ofri okọ Leverkusen na Bayern Munich penny pa no obi anim se nkokọ Bayern Munich ordinary chile Juventus. It was because of Mauricio Isla.
Yes, Islam so be ball Juve, yeah.
Nti Vidal doa omo woma no nka team no ko sikase mo hwenyen mu no omo anhia ne sika na e ba ye na
nka liquidation cry
bye mira ono ankasa na busua no he's a promised child. And na me di be wie about football kwanya me fa social say about kwanya fa so tete nkra e wo yen asetena na ye dada asetena mu no. You can't discuss football without making it relevant to our daily life and the things we see every day. Akra we here kana semi Vidal ne papa friend Don Erasmo Vidal esha say so ya akra no na otwi kobo bicycle otwia no de call Santiago Huracan Racing Track eho na ya ponko ene etum rika ho na okọ ho a na wakope ne papa namfofo a omo ya sikafo a omo wo mponko ne bi no na wakoma mponko na aduane. So Vidal was feeding horses. If you can get some of the we say Vidal and Emma Ponko Sompa Sports. Now oyeria yintua de ka oni amani skane da danase. No asade ne bicycle na be fi oba no be ka che ne maami se wonyeska. Ne maami e fe ne Jacqueline Pardo. Nti Arturo Vidal ni di ankasa de Arturo Vidal Erasmus Pardo. So. Ne maami ni. Maami ni e home keeper. Osiesi amanfo fie. Omo ye hiafo.
Oh yeah.
Oba fie be ye sa ne na na fe won se sika ne nso. Ndi se ne so koma mponko na aduane e wo ho a. Na ye man is kana no de ato chacha. Say we ponko we
no be di kan.
They know ya no so he became addicted to gambling or see on school biem. Ne wofa Huberto and son nsa. Se be hu say ya obobo e we kire me namfofo na we kolokolo no. Ba na me fa honko at age 8. Football saved this boy from becoming
yes and by this time say Guinness World Record we are singing na chacha hene
adentia
Arturo Vidal.
Me papa Don Erasmo no. Ne ba no e feeding ponko no ono so ba race track wa no ton cocaine Mexico phone. Nti Arturo Vidal ne papa no a drug peddler. Papa we 22 years no nya cardiac arrest. Ya chen over 30 times e wo Chile na nuboni kura no. Enye ono nko owo baba I friend Amber Vidal. Ne baba no so oni drug barons Sompa Sports. Any money launderers ne nam nti oni ene ya chen. Sikeni ho.
Handcuffed.
Ene ya chen no da ho. Nti Don Erasmo no ene nabusua ne de ono amunye ne man so nye. Nti Vidal na brabom nipa or this stability eba Vidal brabom no eye oba Maria Teresa na oware no.
Yeah.
The girl stabilized his life. Nti so unse okontokwa o park no so a Vidal oya basa pa o. Go hwe no park Vidal park so.
On Gary Medal.
Ai Medal Eugenio Mena. Look omusubanye but ne upbringing ntiti a onya ofie no because oya kobolo ntem ne papa eton ni boni ne ma mi siesi amanfo ofie ekomo de ntide so kwa bonten ekoma ponko aduane ohun cocaine ntem nti se nye football na ne ofa Huberto eso ne nsa e ne kolokolo na nka ono ankasa no na brabo no enwie so he's a national star, a bona fide national star, a boy of hope and promise out there ni je she nipa bebre akomem e wo Chile na mum kolokolo football club ne de or yes semensha because sisikana ma nka abo bi e chomo we
wo Bishop me da say na Yababana Yaba to Asuna Yashim Yabeko Aba real quick, but as I say Boris B and Kukwanam say and Kukwana come up and Ramame Fahoji say one day be the Kokoya Madi. Sunday Friday in Pusun and then I may have Makono Komwa. Na fe ma je fridge no so na se ma stock him tea and adwi dem say si mu sipa na adwi to obeto enfreme na o ma hobi ha me nko am de antinam say kwadwo akukọ no Boris B. Now Boris B chicken SFA will be our Ghana habi sounds will be timi tobi makatro say aye halal e tro say yenuanom kramofo no na prepare ye ni nyina na kama enu nti say bia wo ton aye fried rice so ton aye jollof rice mo ye aye restaurant and answer mo ye choba amorane eating joint ni nyina na say mo ba akukọ e de aye nkwan de bi aye stew na fe mo de bi so a check mo how far Boris B e de no enso aye kama pa we nya nuro bia na ya hye aye yanka say mamu hade na aye ne kama food chicken obenya achase ne sre aye kana say ne tiny nyina no what to be about chicken rings enso wom ana fe gizzard and also nsabeka layers ne de ne bi e wo ho afei e bia wo behia de ahye da aye ne kama wo de betimi ama nkraman enso e wo fie no so nkraman de ne nyina no Boris B say yanka ncho so de ne su bi enso aba odru poku trading na dum obenya bia to SG mo e wo top high tech e also to bi ana shell e wo body junction e also benya afe Bantama High Street one Presby asori no e opposite afe Sawaba market or ana Santas runabout one unity oil so edi enimhwe 0544 44 4453 0544 44 4453 na just say when Boris B and so enkase ye ko break na ba ye basisi aye nche ye ba na ye ba beto aso na fe ye de eye fisem na aba luta e wa hanto de be rem na fe ya hwe eye de fifie e ba ye nkomre.
Hey, Sewa, me who watch you. Me na no me bisa cry so kwa brochu.
Kwaku, afeina me beko. Me nkrata kra ni.
Hey, ene me ma connection man for den kofo sika adwane ne wanya otche di musa no.
Oh, Express Group adarumenti akwanto aye for. Opese otu kwan kosua de a. Express Group do beka man bi to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say aye to ana se visiting so a. Express Group do beka Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo amopese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi Asafule runabout Accra so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From Omo Macho for ISO 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Bina Unumi, and ya what dropa, a ya draw, a ya draw say, a mani pedian quamuano, and ya wadding, na a quotia yare, and train yare and san wakakoto, fire word draw, nan nominal abribia, Canoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebe jasono wonwa and at the time HH Heba Mr. Edia bejaso akra wonyanya mfisia dumienu enumbi wopemfo ene oba wa makra nufo enso enumbi time HH Heba Mr. Wubenya bi over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu so pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Yadro say FDA adje edwadie nkratoe atum.
The ones that now from toothbrush no. Why and toothbrush no. Ninya Ashford.
Nah, Ninya Ashford dear. That's so evident no way.
Who that the evidence bang? Ninya Ashford toothbrush.
Oh sweetheart, Ashford toothbrushes no. You want different types. She abena de ya mokumu. Ashford Princess and Obra could do the so Ashford Galaxy. What the na ira no so Ashford Evident. Media so Ashford Executive and now media no so Ashford Friendly.
Without Ashford toothbrush card
My dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Eya papa, eya moto. Ne to me bro dodomi ye dani bia akwashisha ho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Eya Fibo Ventures na kofabe daso. Etu phone for 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They were so winning.
If I shop, I'm sure you'll bag it.
Brad, and not so good.
What time about Michelle see about Queen Wayne say?
Brad, said your time about Mister, as your Jimmy me fearful, and Yadia about ever so.
Really, I know this offending now.
Brad, and because me the time about Mister Huadancia, we are singing now about Temenka. It is some malaria, where drawn the time about Mister.
I never go, dear, and no matter what to me any deal. What drawn the time about Mister? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear, what ma for down for any aquada when you fear do you and son of the time about Mr. Draven. She said, walk a hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a GD malaria be answer.
I also time me TIME. Time about Mister. I feel malaria fever be than is Ziva, a woman. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to do a name. FDA Aji a judging cratoi at all.
We are back, bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their front two, with Free Play Friday and Swipe Bet. In the middle, you've got all the control with Cash Out and Build a Bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bet. At the back, they have Smart Picks and the Partial Daily Jackpot.
You always get way more with Betway.
Enipa baako pɛ ɛna pɛm adeɛ hyɛ wo a obia hyia wo a wɔsan hwɛ obie mu ɔnoa ne bafo polo no wɔasua nkasa ɛna ɔde nimdeɛ no nso yi adwuma ɛnti sɛ ɔdwidwi style ɛto hɔ a ɛda hɔ a na ɛhome bafo polo no ɔde Africa print textiles ɛna pam na deɛ biara ɛnti ɔpam Africa print polo shirts, round neck shirts, golf shirts, V-neck shirts ɛne pii ɔpam atufoɔ bɛtu kogu wɔn stores ɛne boutiques ɛnti sɛ wo so wonyɛ adwuma a bɛtu bi kɔtɔn na ɔnte so ma wo churches, fan clubs, schools, unions, any a group pia. Muhia dodono. Edema mu members no. Any mu students no. Mumra. Munso amupe Friday wear. Edema mu workers. Bafu polo. Chemo. Our gold package. And on tade no esemu duonu. Silver package. Esemu dunum. And a bronze. Enso semu du. Oye delivery. Eko mama pana bia. Bafu polo on tade no so. Yeseko bia. Na wapama ma. Any member nyina. Bafu polo. Ewo kumase ahinema kokobin. Santasi no telephone 0249 600 789 and 0599 899 919 and Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok and so you're at Bafu Polo. Me say so we say Bafu Polo dia. Oh, and you now one share.
Vodafone Ghana. Essa ako telecelo.
Sompa Sports. Right, yeba fie na yaba behwe ye de no nso ewo fie but yena Royal Foam enso as Royal Foam Ghana Limited ase yen control so ultra modern showroom no omabie ewa sokore mampon and CCC enso eben so kwana kwadwo mattress chesa relaxation ene na de ewo sa woda na chesa woda ye ojo ahome nso a na ojo ahome ye nti Royal Foam de no me kanfo ama enkwada benyo so no omode ye wo school for de ewo mafei inches bia wo bia to bia so no won sabeka e de every Royal Foam enso eho na de chance say king size and a queen size ewo hafei 1.5 and just a double mattress no won sabeka de wo danso a ema wachinya wo ya ema wo cord emu nya wo ya ema chese no mpanimu enso ntutu ay Royal Foam e de kopa bito na easy wo difference a eno nso ewo Royal Foam and other mattress no enso emu Royal Foam empen for say yen kan trust opebi enso ato a ya bomode enso be frɛ 0202 271 000 0202 271-000 na kyerɛ sɛ when Royal from Ghana mpanfoɔ no nso nkasɛe wobɛ so kɔyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ amanone anaasɛ bia wobɛsɛ woto a wosuku so nso ɛwɔ aburokyire sɛ bia wɔ senior high anaasɛ wawie university wobɛ so ɔyɛ masters ɛwɔ aburokyire anaasɛ mpo woyɛ bia wobɛsɛ wokɔtoa university so nso ɛwɔ amanone schoolfoɔ no deɛ ne deɛ ɛyɛ fully funded scholarship asɛm ana mede to dwa yi nso ama wo sɛ baabi ɛde sɛ Canada, US, UK, Australia, Germany, and I say New Zealand, and I be say wokwa. Wone Express Group mpanifo no enkasa. Afe nurse for no any midwives no na. Monso mo be say mo kotwa mo dwuma so e wo kyesa amanone no. Wone Express Group mpanifo kasa. Woman de ofa ayot ni mu amo atwere atwa. SAT omo be tro GMAT afe TOEFL. Ni nyina no Express Group mpanifo no and do ebe from na when your pass score and also pass mark na so qualify akwato a suku so ewa manane na aha no obehu omo ewa Safule Runabout and Crying Carnation First Light afi tema womo community 18 Lashibi Goy filling station ho ana East Legon so no omo ben Trinity Theological Seminar afi takrade and so eye market circle omo ne Hot Ernesto fast food and a D and hwe sunyane fo so be call Silver House building am na sabeka omo ben court ho ana femeka se bibia ni so no omo ben court ana Tamale aye Tamale Technical Hospital also no wonsa enso ebeka aye Express Group 0249 000 448 0249 000 448 and I say 0555 550 067 0555 550 067 na just say when the Express Group empedifo no enso enim komana fe Jacobiano omo emfa so Emma Luther
Fancy yenkwe na mami fa kwanya isu na nemia kasa mitwocho mucho ma de nyina edi na woda me man happy birthday no eye Frank Owusu ansa obaso ami mpasua isu a NDC amanyuku no ono na ejina mu ese mrahye bedwani omonto abama no enti wo ye NDC parliamentary candidate also am constituency opiemu wa empatemu adodo na afre no Redbone ene ye na wodanti Redbone honorable ye ma se nyame ma wakoma so ade nyina mram na ye mo awodapa happy birthday no ma nyina enkoye eso emfa ema na mame nhyase a obaka last year mu ho 11th November Ghana yanta sempa yankase de no siakan Edma the Black Stars of Ghana okopiemo Albania siakan Edma Ignatia ye friend of Rafael Dwamena o siakan no cardiac problem ena oda ni bonkum sabro jago pramaso siakan mpanyimfo ne abusua atimi ayenhyehyeye ese nyame pa bosome ye wram ya eda etoso edunsia Shadrack Mpacho wa ye ready na de atoso na enkrofo atimi ahwe no mahunu se no manyina koye Rafael Dwamena nyame pa on the 16th of February 2024 yawo Ajigano AstroTurf no so East Legon ena omudin betum pam na ye gyan kwan na no manyina so atima koye enu ye painful exit esod ma the former Black Stars player no 28 years no dia odan punkum so eno ede dawo na Ghana ye mampanyina mrebi aba obesom omaye fe no eye JA Kufuor na afibie bo cap bi di senen munyam na afi JA Kufuor Cup no 2024 ede no me pacho enya apaso na de ete nyina ene se uko na uko rama sha wudiwe no to akra na de ba ko no so abana nkrofo so se de sitie ni nyina se JA Kufuor Cup 2024 eya adesa Santi Kotoko eni Nsu Atreman FC ena afi omode be pem so ewo Baba Yara Sports Stadium eya anwumre 4 p.m. ena sa gembe todwa on the 18th of January and a game no ebeba so na afi etra eda esa cup no so no celebrating him for his contribution for a development of Ghana nese ne dwuma obeye ye no moa oba oman Ghana no and so far omudi sa team na to so a ye de eba bebo cup no e de ahye munyam ama bibia eso atimi ayekama into onmunyam for JA Kufuor former president Edma Ghana fi JA Kufuor's Cup no 18th of February Baba Yara and a game no betima todwa intano bia hyene so na bia so atimi aye kama eno de dawa yede ema mo eso ewo eye dwumadie no so eno de dawa yede ema mo eso eno no na ukoko remrem ayemfa ntodwa ese nso atrema na FC so omne kotoko ebesi aka o JA4 cup no dia de oso mu yenie omo bobo omo eno omo friendly game nso atrema na FC ebebo na omo eso omo bono wo agoprama na friend Belfort Awa Sports Complex omni Young Apostles and ebesi aka na 3 p.m. ewo nso atre na sa game no ebetumi atodwa na yeguso ewo club issues no yemro mo Heart of Folk first round ewo league season no na department ba kwa na ho enkwem from Heart of Folk eyom goalkeeping department na no na ekwa no opanyina ono na goalkeeper trainer ono your friend Richard Opon ekwadi nkomo so far Heart of Folk so more prepare for the second round of the season na goalkeeping department no say and ho no man mo se hye ne no ma eko
GK mean goalkeeper, speed, endurance.
What is the objective of today's training session?
The objective is I want to see how quick or how fast they react to action, because we are doing speed work, and speed work is the ability to cover a distance within a short possible time. Ready?
Eno edete so Remo Heart of Folk omo goalkeepers no on say Eric Oforiantwi Richmond Ayi Sasuna Richard Ata emu nyina na chase kwampa so akoka ho ama no nyina ekoye yemram na yentwe appointment bia eno so etima koso Ghana Football Association omo asoye ni nyina so Rema ogura ye friend Eugene Noble and executive council of the association etima appoint no ese omrana Black Matthias Management Committee no ome chairman eme bianya chairman and what you say and under 23 team memana shim no the Black Matthias Management Committee no say and etie 5-member committee no jawo ora we chairman Eugene Noble and yewo Samuel Opokunti legend and castle Tibefia no AFCON ni nedi no ono ebe vice ame bianya kama and Reverend George mebacho mumia George Afrunkoye ono ye member Nana Kwame Dankwa and Daniel Labi omo ene beye members na ma bia kama and what you Roma omo appointee AFCON member or say see Wodima Bechem United Kingsley Osebonsu eso no so no omo ye chairman and former the Black Galaxies na omo management committee no on try na Kingsley Osebonsu ye chairman no Alaji Sadugu Yaya oko Apa East na Apa West one FA chairman wo ono ye vice chairman Stephen Atukwesen member Fred Abonyo member na Alaji Dem eso member and awuram so yade so mo appointed the Director General of the Police Professional Standard Bureau PPSB maami ya friend DCOP Lydia Donko esa ono emra na ono chairperson security committee no maami no ene daso no na so piema ono bebo adwuma kama na awuram ewo Ghana Football Association Security Committee say eno members no esu esitie nessa maami ya friend DCOP Lydia Donko ebe chairperson no nessa Nick Owusbe captain retired vice chairman Emmanuel Osei member Felix Bewu member na Richard Ebo Dugan esu member eno ediete esu no na ubaka anopem ye story with ma ese Ghana ni akoda bia unity Manchester United jefeno chese akoda na eso bia bo gine so ese npewa kobi mainu na se da metin se anu na content creator owura YouTube friend Kwadwo Sheldon eso be secret to kreku ne efefo no mamu nka mo nyam ade ni biem emeka wo ye Ghana ni ye se nkuku ne nkaka kodada no o mebo me ye Black Stars no ye ntie message a Kwadwo Sheldon edama efe no.
Alright, so Manchester United 4, Wolves 3. We almost lost this match, but that is not why I am here. Now, the player that scored our last goal, the winning goal for us, he's Ghanaian, Kobe Maino. I hear say they come from the Mankesim there. Yes, but he's Ghanaian. And I know say the GFA they have started entertaining, harboring the idea of going to convince him to come in. No go convince him plus Jollof the guy. Don't go give him Ghana card say he can't play for Ghana. No try that thing. Make Ket no try that thing.
A market and try gra. Now, Krani development no Ghana, ye nimoshe. Ye nya kran won sina kai Manchester Mukrano. O my tiasia wo. Omumu afe na akra kokko be nsu ekọ na akoda ne bom ma mo nkwan na be bom ma Ghana ene ye Black Stars ne be hiaw ene abebe o say da omo be ekra no ma hunu so enya akoda we ne be bibi ene ensemo de atua nwuram na anopam de tuanim sanura okopiem eso ewo eye Sofitel Hotel wo Abidjan Caf mpanyin fotimi twintonto ema the 13th African Games draw no etimi todwa ema ne emema ne nyina na okopiem a date na confirm date ya African Games no ebetimi abaso no eno na said ye tenye urome shas on the Friday 8th March na bana we Saturday 23rd March na abana we ewo Ghana Accra 2023 na ukoroma say na no draw no to dwamane de no omo frɛ former South Africa omo women's footballer ye friend Amanda Dlamini e ma ne be ka omo timi ya draw no kama na eno na wurama man after the draw say NSC group A no Ghana your Tanzania Uganda Ethiopia Oko group B or Nigeria your Senegal Cameroon and Morocco eso ewo na ko ememani demu a na Emmanuel Ebue onso omo friend man be bomber memani draw no etimi to dwana memani say na groups no ekọ group A a yenya Ghana ye team no eho yenya the Gambia Benin Congo na ko group B a your Nigeria South Sudan Senegal, Uganda, and Tunisia, Argentina. Group A 4 countries. Now Group B, SWF 5. No, Nina said the last edition of Africa Under-20 Championship. No, the last 8. Omuko quarterfinals and omu qualify on the ball. All African Games. To draw Ghana. No, na Ghana yentima qualify. Uncle Pimo the last 8. Name and nam say yen ye hosting. No, some de be counting no mama Group B. Acquire 5A teams. No, and we chema wa ya de ema mo ewo dwumade no so na ye wie na na opiem Ghana executive chairman Edma the local organizing committee and ye Dr. Kwaku Ofosu Asare ekopiem adro no etodwa ne so panyin draw na bana wie de na wo kan afa draw na mo expectation no say ne city.
Interesting event today. I was privileged, me and my colleagues were privileged to be here, and the balloting also went very well. Ghana's the teams in Ghana's group are very good teams, very strong teams, and I'm sure Ghana will have to work hard. The satellites will have to work hard to top the group.
And we somebody to Jan ye no and ye Romo under 20 be Ghana namu I host to tournament time be kama ya kwa no head coach and Desmond Ofe e comes and say update by the film so bad draw no then am so mo kan afa then am preparation e.
The boys are working really hard to be ready for the tournament. So we were actually not looking at the draw, to be honest. It doesn't matter who we come across. I'm sure we'll be ready. You cannot underestimate any country. So basically, it's not going to be easy. But a nation as Ghana, we should not be afraid of any opponent. We are.
Omuguso mo prepare na de 20 fancy yam fancy na mom AJ Kufo Cup 2024 no date ni 25th February 25th February and be to dry anwumre 4 p.m. Ewo Baba Yara Stadium Kotokoni nso atreman and ebo on the former president Aduma Jobe one of the finest president enyo Ghana no oka hu bi enti na o say o hyene munyam enti de tie eso eno no
wo Luta mate me da say me ba eye abadwafo no so na yaba behwe but ye na bafu polo enso ase bafu polo ban say bi Africa ye easy yankase ye print e de atwa wontade neater am say bafu polo eye adwuma pa ye wada bia no no antade na ye share e de be ye show nti bafu polo or African print polo shirts, American print round neck shirts, African print V-neck, any African print golf shirt. Adeba kono say nyeme mankwa wo ye made nyina nti say say be a one your baby na mo besa wade ne baso anase mpo o konto se mo kɔ photo shoot na benya ne ntade ne bi agya ya bomode anso be hunu na afei wono nso susu no adwu kama ono oba ne nyina no obi a benya ne de o plan la course de anase mpo wo plan se do si pen bia no wo benya na offers ne bi eye gold package anase packages no or gold or silver and a bronze no a shirt ne ma kuma ko 10 and a silver so shirt ne 15 and a gold package so aye ma kuma ko 20 mo run boutique and it just a joint amoton tade no betimi ehunu na match bi enso aton na mfaso na ababa mo so modia hwehwe no e wa hene ma kokoben kwan na wo faso e de akọ oboase kokoben kwan na so ana obenya no aye 0249 600 789 0249 600 789 and I say 0599 899 919 0599 899 919. It's my kitchen. I say yankan chosa bra. Nebedi di and a Friday and no obetimi ne wife in kwadana call ice cream no be wo affair dwane bia kwadana obetimi atomo dia momo now ne wife in so di diabom ama ye fe ebi nso ano girlfriend and I say bia umpena bi etimi call mo ton sari dia manoma so ay kama e ban say bia French fries and I say open jollof fries open fried rice afei open local fofoni mutuo ne banku no a chesen kwan papa bi nam so dware awo chesen kwan mo anya asemetwa kra ni nyina na is my kitchen restaurant aba serve Wednesday bia na pizza Wednesday yawa da bia aye banku ne tilapia Thursday no to ba ko a woje ba ko enso e de asoso enti shares my kitchen extra kwan e was stadium omoben traffic light no 0265 707 070 0265 707 070 and I say 0248 865 046 0248 865 046 now on is my kitchen and so enkase fibu one more and a day toothbrush and in paste abejaso ya to be eman kwadano now to be enso the amawo papa no ono yere na fibu at the Ashford Princess and your bano and it's just a beman kwadano omo dear Ashford Evidence executive and friendly and a Galaxy and so ewo benya bi ato e ban say toothpaste and so ya the Afri-Fresh aye herbal toothpaste aba get clear toothpaste ewo ho unlock toothpaste e kan ho and a peppermint toothpaste and also yeah juma party ten say who use when the brush no at the funny toothpaste and the brush ya say be a brush and they are no ready they are no din kakra bia e rawo see echi enkon kwetwitwi ho ema moja ema biano aye fibu ade ne na wo sawoto wadi na ka osim wadi dia wie na beso onum etoso wadi dia na peso onum eda wo sawo tetchoma so you know wo brush wo teeth ahwe say they use no aye fibu e brush and the toothpaste ano and e beboa ama odwumadia wo dini nyina no enso aye kama onum betoso e beda ho na fo atimi anya vim e de akasa e onipam wonum emo e beyi nkane nyina de free ho aye 0241 545 646 0241 545 646 and I say 0200 600 934 0200 600 934 na chese onim penfo no enso enkasama menye we so real quick na fe membra ayabedwafo no so wo Hazard Junior so awda ayanti from team ne ya we share Hazard Junior happy birthday and cry and Hazard enso and ewa woda nyame nhwa onye okese Hazard na kita wakoma pasa efa ko no bibia ba fine afa we so say happy birthday kwadiama chese sister Fate o watepa and ewa woda from Daniel and was say ya we show awoda pana yen kancho se nhwa no enso eya woda afa we say Jones akuokon so dina woda ene Jones akuokon we every from pon out so no our marketing department say Jones and ewa woda from pon say ya we show awoda pa nyame nhwa na ontutu anamo enso NCC eye yes Mike amumi so mo kakra na afi yemra so
fancy and agenda na me mienu
okay
first one here unim say from
Sompa
2010 they see 2023 sika ya budget say the co tournament men can they are spending budget alone approximately a bedroom $100 million
from
2010 they see 2023
for
the Black Stars yeah
And you be a crown on your every 2 years.
Yeah, a bit me $100 million. $100
million?
Yeah, approximately. A bit me from 2010 to 2023, all the tournaments I qualify I could be, inclusive AFCON, World Cups, near there. Sika I budget see a best spend a tournament, approximately a bit me reach $100 million. Then even expenditure on the Blasters, Okabumwa, and I reckon better $100 million from 2010 to 2023. Expenditure on the Black Stars. So you can't say your Maya Yeniska. Ana we ase no abrabo no hwe wo so no de no wabo enti we ya de bro so a de aho kire bebrɛw ana se wo mu ani kɔ baby bebre a there are other aspects of your life you might not really sort out. So Ghana ye so ne ye bra ye pese ye bo no ɛho bra ne ye bo na na. And I keep on saying this, the current or the recent occurrences cause of Blasters ni mu aye complaining no it did not start now. To me, got 20 years and as our practices we are also. If we don't look at the root and deal with it, these same issues will continue. It was same under Urakwesi Nyantechi. Yenya several sports ministers on Mabako, but has the issue changed? Assistant. Good. So let's look at the system rather. The system, no, a microcosm of a bigger system. Ghana Hanka say there problems with the reward system. As gratia honorarium. Kwanye fasu tuesika allowances to boards. Any idea no? Say I'm shani and can't want some year fancy. A honey priorities ne war. So we don't have an effective healthcare system. Baby I'll be kolebu board and so any allowances or more board members ne general. Bank of Ghana Boka close to 60 billion Ghana cedis. Now you every year for every board of director, you have close to 512,000 Ghana cedis na diamano. So say you not careful ni and share or mine on the kwanya ye fasu yis ka spend there. Yani ho betre. And that's in there. Your future. Rest in the decisions you take now. So there will be no future for the next generation. So yes, we have a big issue with our reward system. Actually, it is similar to Black Princesses name Mane Diana Meyano.
Yes.
Omo muye jumano aketuane ma. Etuo edwuma mwaye edwuma na aketuane man farmer ba be kona o board director bi ana director of board bi wajiska ni bi waye ne de that is for the state agencies near there. If we are not careful they can't continue to chew on the meaty part and then give the crumbs or the bones to the citizens. In the same vein, Blaster seek expenditure no. Sa $100 million na me approximate no. If you are spending it judiciously, obia benya ne equitable resource obetim dia ye de ope. Obia ho betono. The Black Princesses. Mame, the congratulatory message free the sports minister ho. Called the Black Princesses. At the same time, Ministry of Youth and Sports so the omodi ekoi. And to way the 3rd of June 2023, abroad the Black Princesses, a national female under 20 team. Omo board the Africa Games nendo omo draw no. Omo je wafu zone big under 20 girls cup no for the first time. Ono omo je Minister Boma Baso, Ministry of Youth and Sports Boma Baso. Edru say a very reward omo. The minister say tournament we now onim se bibi sakra or first time inti we the omo muskebia.
No Boma Baso no. Good. Into also omo muskebia. So the Black Princesses did not receive even a penny from government or the state after winning this. But member minister I will also lay part of the blame to the FA boss. Unimadi Kruntia. I didn't hear. Wafu Zombi no why na president? Yes, into onim. Good. So charity begins at home. Yes. Say Emma we when munyama as a president of the FA can so ye say it be a $5,000 be $10,000 be timni na monje na monfa. You set the pace and the rest can follow. Yes. So be the torch bearer. Say you are showing reward and respect for Mano.
as a Wafu Zone B president, not even the GFA boss, or my GFA or Mutifie, nothing. FA boss, no. Sports minister, no Obianka so omo. These girls, Omama Bemembu, the same girls have come together under the same coach received Basigi. Abba qualify under 20 Women's World Cup ewo Colombia. And also be seen the bonus yentia momo. Sika kro mo beji kro munim. Girls,
yeah, more 1,000 and now 4,000.
Nim fancy. Black Queens then the same catch us here so from 4,000 to 2,500.
Yeah.
For the black princesses, they don't even know say a $500 so a $100 so na bomb ho. These girls wore national colors. At the bobo my wa bro munim say yebet your moka, but they did not let it stop them.
Are you serious?
Omu yem ko ho bomb Ghana. Now, March this year, Omobebo Africa Games. It could serve as a preparatory event for the Under-20 World Cup. The girls don't know their fate yet. But you can't say Under-20 where they encoda, but oya koda there. But they be an ebusu no on the cover ba no munye bidi.
Na say Mike say Under-20 crown I mean say nipa na bi wa 18.
Yeah. Yeah.
I want to say the obi okro dependent. Good. Like obi maame no ebi enkoye, papa no enkoye.
Ebusu any dane so. And the moment our board national team went to kwanya kwa aba no, they expect something.
Ukoba because you are
unnecessary pressure to girls in so. Enti born or mo bono or dream sika obesan so dia kofie. But we any kakra bi. How can they wear the national team jersey? These girls will come and play their hearts out. Omobe boy no, yes monko. Mobeti and kind obi okro mu mfie ompo black princesses dey we omunkasa obi ahụ with the black queens there no there was positive feedback Endra say at the FA they are discussing it vigorously.
You can't want some no.
Yes, they are discussing it and they are pushing it. Say omo sabe kan musika almost this month ombe ba Kumasi ombe bo Zambia omu ombe kwa away on the 23rd
and 29th man no muntimi ntia twa say de me man yes man fa ma
obi anfa omo
man fa ma ye mo no
me say obi anfa omo ho. And then that is the saddest part. The media inclusive. You better now. You better blasters na ka man any you omoto twini. Ya mo 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Mo make come as na monko. But they are suffering. And if there is any glory as regards national team Ayensaka in the last 4 years, it comes from women's football. Hazakes ladies and Pemdakwa national team side. You who the black queens, you who the black princesses, even the black maidens. Into omashe en monyam anko mo so ne omo kakra anko mo nsa beka no anke yemfa mo omo keke fancy eno so abaye kosi enkosi koda ani ejina bebe ye wona. Tomorrow I will continue this agenda but AFCON stadium
hey na nyana Minister of Canada be say renovation mine baba 90%
2021 abra the finance
2 years ni
onimonyam ni Oko Parliament no ready budget for 2022 no say obobo so yeah minim say nsaka AFCON obetimi the stadium na to so where GDC yen fa say that case
I'm a GTV for
yeah. State television
so esuru ni nyina pa enkonya ni nyina na so we wo anya so ko ye picture bobo kra de bisi
the stadium was closed down in 2019 yen bobo order share pitch no
ana mbeka say about 90% complete.
Omokaso mo ye ni phases. Now there's the explanation. Phase 1 of the project and say omo bet to 2 roof ni na because material no omo use the roofing no. And ne pomframa no e boba because of the salty nature na e korodi I say e wi na chen. Enti the technical advice omo the mine say and omo tutu roof ni na no. Na omo pe material I bet me withstand that corrosive substance na free and from any air ban. Where stands in him the
the current state.
Yeah, the current state of AFCON stadium. We cry last year November, oh baby. Where last year November I say na stand seats in it here.
Stadium na say one of the best on the continent.
It was ranked as top 10 beautiful stadiums in Africa as late as 2012. 2014, neka top 20. A 20,000 capacity. You spend $40 million. And you're
Sompa
40 million in 2008. And the issue they say, omoye roofing, omututu roof ni we no. I was saying ejuma na twa so aka. Ejuma na kan sinsemu. So as it stands, fancy stadium we na nkasa no omanwie o. AFCON stadium omanwie ni e the tournament no. Yenwie. They completed like 75%, 80%. Asia hono. Asia ho na ho no. Honi ina your office spaces. And your complexes so mo a obi betimi abeje dia in store. Ni ina ye develop enwie. Enti da se and your hostel so obetimi ada ho. Enti so your national team kra obetimi acamp wo stadium ho. Na wada ho. Ni no mo enwie. After the tournament will be out to na dream. Now, stadium no ho ba asem I was here renovating no. And on the contract nama. Tomorrow we'll come with the details of a contract. The demand anyway. Yeah, the contract ama. Contractor about so your first phase. First phase no why CCA di akwa kwesini. Since 2020. Fancy.
First phase they no my na o kan.
And first phase no ibia. The ocean was squeezed.
Na no my first phase.
I saw my to two roof you know.
Mike me that's it now.
That's
it. Sompa sports. Me ba Bishop until first phase ne say why any free so okay. Salam breeze ne say nyoma no na okay, Mate.
We spend our money judiciously. You benye PDIS some of these exercises.
What me ba Bishop na fe Bishop dey ye we na time e ba mixture. Pebinum e be boa pa maka cho say malaria e be dwane ni nyina na aye time and a day abedwa so. Etu malaria se na emonum ate. Wonum e beto so betimi adidi na nipadua no ahyehye kama ho na mren so ba draw say wonum aye time e ba mixture fe time HH e ba mixture and the capsules and so juma pa and no say we your banner so your bema numbi and we be see mase ho bibia be fine bibia be kama and mana de bia muhie mamota ka agish no maka agish ache unu kunu de nya vena agish ne yese bi o bibia brusu bi abat wonu kunu hie ma wote ya o mesro ma wasenwo na enya wense na afei ene man so enye kama ema bema so nsansa gu ho afei ya na otem sensu vita bi fro bema mu ba aye time HH ba misha ene capsules no eno so ebebo ba bi atondro bi akwa so per time omunu plan bi out of 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 na just a time when empen for akasa odon so me mudwumadie no ya wada na adwubia nondu ane ye debro na we aye special Vows Day de ana ye de ebento odon so me mu Vows Day edition no ye say ono dofo mo record mo 45 seconds e wa bra chese nyum ba mo di ase nyum no e wo say ye chese nyum ase ye odon me dafoma e ye kama watama senti mo di ase na say mo be say di mo ase bia 45 seconds mo record the video no a day I call 0278 369 494 0278 369 494 now what video no be image as the best one no ye be telecast TV no so kwaso na monitor do so me mudwumadi na for da program no enso ebeba so Bishop
yeah Michael Betansi
Sompa sports
umpe bibinsi mi homiria me dey akwanche test no
okay odi be fa dry kakra
okay do me na bo amene Michael Adentina yes your DNA philosophy bi no na ye so dey afa coach no
Ghana football. No, I think that is why they roped in Professor Minta as head of coaching education anyway, you know. So not to repeat mistakes of food. For coach or tier football nasia, they think obetimi settle ye.
Meant no one copy.
Oh, me one copy.
Oh wow.
I say.
Oh wow.
Oh, it's with the technical directorate.
Like me per copy.
Or per copy.
Me pia me.
No, what officially a command
yeah.
Like formally what they request that names. Because me what I know is that they will do stakeholder engagement on a series. They've engaged where you and normal Mafa regional scouts.
Yeah. Launch a book no daben.
I say last year.
Yeah, printy.
I say there are printed copies.
Ebi wen.
I'm saying printed copies. Ebi wen.
O mi hia bi.
Oh, okay.
Right to the general secretary.
Bra, yeah, pia Maurice Kwanza swe pia.
Minima there, but just right to the general secretary.
Okay. The GFA are living on a time bomb by sowing a seed of doubt into the minds of people. Maybe I will be aberative in this union come away. Ashasiano.
That's how book no be da.
Patrol.
Be da.
Me who be. National football philosophy. And no that hot no me.
Sompa sports.
Picture we the GF in the buy. Michael, one of the picture na that we buy.
There.
Picture we.
It's from the FA.
Good. those of you who are into design,
book nefu
menye design.
Echin de efe na say be
book we. The da benkum so e team so.
Yeah, you use your flag and colors in there.
A mock-up design of the book on the right.
Na say white one na yeah the colors na be fa ho keke.
A design.
Okay.
Na so watch near bija metimi zoom pictures ni mienu. Ase ho black lines be the numbers.
Code no.
Yeah. Barcode no numbers no. The same thing.
What mun zoom me hard. So white one here why mo book
yeah there that
template.
Okay, Matthias.
It's be call free pick. There were several websites or more. So to design where you use it.
Okay, so I'm zooming white one or I would starting free 29304 1928462. Mama the other Ghana colors so I cover na name had 29304 1928462. Okay, no.
Thank you. Obi book. And akoye design. And the diaba. A mock-up. It is allowed in design.
Yeah.
Book na nkasa no.
Sompa Sports. Yeah, dia na omo dia no.
Yeah, dia no. Yeah, Ghana dia no. My dream is say almost suru sa anhwa na obi awia ideas na home no. People can actually plagiarize to go and sell. We obe change brofo no kakra de akọchiro obi say metimi aye bibia ma on your no de akọji an emerging FAB sika no body. Nemum say book no wo ampa. I've spoken to people at the Parliamentary Select Committee. Me bizo almost me per copy. Almost you munya bi. On that day, the leader of the delegation from the parliamentary group was Ajenim Aboatin Agogo, West Brekum MP. I see the mock-up. My peer, I've been asking. Now nominate Morris Kwanzaa, graphic editor. And then also push ya almost sharing about some money be. But omunyam farmer.
And I'm printing by out and
Debbie, you print but in the out.
No. What I'm saying is, maybe I said the bear launching, no. And then be a bear 1 or 2, 3 no my printing. They have later or my copy said
they have limited copies printed out for specific stakeholders. Now the stakeholder engagement, and they say they will engage. One say Ghana Education Service. If you are part of the program, they explain to you, so you are presented with a copy. Before Bernard Lepet left, around, then they do the presentation. Then they show you how you can make things work. As early as okay, I say Coach Afane good. Not that time they had unveiled regional football scouts. The regional football scouts were tasked. Say Koko report on it and then submit a report on talent who in now. And then one under 15 national teams, for both boys and girls. Because the man who DNA is running at the same time. So the engagement never costs then will come and involve even the media. So what I know is there are timelines to it.
Okay.
But the exact timelines need to meet.
Okay. I don't communicate 6 months. I'm gonna make career operation down the route. We are here to reach them. Ube to back of our regional scout. May catch your pain. GF, nim regional scout, Papa Bia, Essing, Schools and Colleges Federation, coaches of teams Nebon. Obia Nadao, Ketu Kreku, Anase Kotoro.
Tisanke Bia inter school na yebo coaches no.
Yes, afa regional scout, Uncle Tinas no alpha report mra. Look, these are technically trained teachers. Unim trusting them. Oh, Baba, her born now, more born 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. We more money training.
But yes, or not, Debia.
About qualifiers. And some mobile stadium, I'm about into Sakrabia Master Stadium, regional scout name. Ubit Mania Crabby or Brosancro SHS. Unimbo ne bopa. By a ball qualifies no Abia, CAS, Kumaka, Prempe, Armed Forces. The school then Timian qualify Army Ball Stadium. Obey them.
Okay.
ɛna obi ani wɔ GFA or probably Professor Minta ɛna obetumi aka sɛ ɔne saa nipa ko ihyia obetumi ni wɔn adi dwuma fancy federation is made up of people with degrees from Winneba and Cape Coast in physical education nti da bɛn ne ba bɛtwerɛ mo saa nneɛma mini GFA ni asɛm bia ɔdo mo nkɔm baabi ɛnɛ no sɛnɛ Michael Bekan na ministry na me ɔmanya budget a GFA no ɛde kɔ ɛkɔma me nsa me ni hwada bɛtwerɛ nsɛm bia fa okujeto ɔmunyai fa so bi eni so shadow jai dia oyɛ no so mo na so ma sɛ bɛka ka jom sɛ wonye sɛ yɛ wa so a yɛ wadwen sɛ look baby yɛ duru no mo nyaade nkomo na yɛ di no atra NPP NDC o oh that be a major
because no Mike why you country by na Angola no Angola Kenya was it moya no man hide behind na FIFA government interference was it wo de yentie no was mo ya be interfere me ya ban mu 2-3 years sebi ye de besua nyansa because ye hemra mu ni so Shadrack me so de me yentie no kakra bishop e kan akwa wotwe we naba.
And some international federation will come for you. Let me tell you, that will not come with us at all. If it takes your discipline being suspended so that you can follow the law, we will allow you to be suspended so that you can follow the law.
Yes. Bishop.
Yeah.
It is was a
Atra okujeto NDC. Odo safo atra NDC for na approve. Yatra ho block. Demonstration no fit say again. We need to realign ourselves. Okay. Sa no man na GFA for say minister say yetwam. Football say. Me talk about my GFA. There be me try me tax my GFA. Minister na me no. Budget now FA for the call and I've seen a copy. Na $7.23 million.
There's a new 8 no.
Nendru. Omo ye so mbeko South Africa no. Ene ka chom so monko amend no mo sanfambra. Ene de call 8.5. Yenya nko South Africa.
Ti be samba down to 7 something no.
Eno sanko da no. Yentua winning bonus 30,000 bia mo bia. Omo ye nipa 27.
The appearance fee.
Appearance fee ni per day mo asem na ese ene omo beka. But what I say, sika no win. The entire mekofa DNA in the buy. A ministry na said ye. Say omo be implement this football DNA no. Emphasis kanemre Ghana Education Service Regional Directorate Accountant no. Sa stakeholders forum when you are there no. Enye GFA juma. The ministry's policy formulator Dr. Uso Ansabina no. Ni office no so bi o wa. Fancy on edi eni mo abekire akoma dan SHS. Headmaster say, sorry, sportsmaster say, Mr. Rewa, mukwa ya hwe A ni B ni C ni D mame. Abai sika edi ni. How your offense enough. Sa nipa no wa akoma dan o sa wo nkinka so SHS no.
Sompa sport.
If you da so eba nkrutuo na wo ho ni nyina no. Sa akora bi ni mbo ne bo a. Okay, ombeboa ama ye hunu at the basic school level. They friend school league games no. Ye wi a apejano at the Nakuinim SHS level. What has the ministry done? Ketokrako cabinet meeting. Debbie, and you're not Mustafa Yusuf now. Only Dr. Duchum come over no modi efa Milo games no. Fancy. Ye pesi cardia 2 stadium mama makobo kra na no yasem.
Na student no zo mutua.
Look.
Can't be a oma kwana be oma sense and your man here.
But I bind also discover because you have to maintain the place.
And student no so.
Ombe use washroom. Ombe here nsuo ne nyoma. I was see CC stadium no more. No problem at all. Nemum enye say afena Interschools and Colleges Federation ne copes. I was a binary releases kadadada. NSA be yes because sika was a bind the mom.
Sompa sports.
Nti wa mpekwa bi so enye sika na obey that me aye adwuma no. Mira. Nti training college for your games. Your university games gusa. Your SHS there. Your polytechnic games. E dey policy direction na ye dey wura ho. Sika be na ye dey ahyem. Yetam sika Black Stars jikodi. Yetam sika Black Stars jikodi. Huh? Yetam sika Black Stars community sika office sika Black Stars kodi.
Bishop Yankwe na chine series.
$100 million.
Hey, so what I say?
Michael Mesro chama mon family name breakdown a very necessary pa.
$100 million.
Until ye batch na na Mira. Eh? Didn't tell Monday me share you na say am. Players no. Me messages no am the bet on the mic.
Bishop me da say.
Omo ka je say that mo pe follow mo buy no mo girls abapu mo.
Yeah, One has me point here. Yes, sorry news. To asunyame yard machina yabeba anopa Saturday 9 to 12 mube shipa montwe yekọ hey yo check it out yo.